Maybe that's what I'm hearing. No, I definitely hear a car like right there. What just
Oh,
happened?
thank God I had that on fucking video. Okay, I need to get that fucking edit and send it to you because I'm sure you did not see that fucking helmet flying across the fucking screen.
It's flying?
Oh shit!
I just launched him after getting down.
I just saw a fucking tractor go flying.
Oh shit. Yo. Hey, Creed Gaming, is this a tractor derby? I heard there's a tractor derby going on in town. Is this a tractor derby?
Yo, if you got,
What?
if you got a bounty you trying to get rid of, bro, you know who to go to, right?
I might be dead. My leg's fucked, man.
I wonder why.
Do you know how much those trucks hold? The Jimmy Turnip truck? That
You mean what?
like how much inventory?
What is it called?
I don't know what it's called, but do you see the truck that he's driving? Jimmy Turnip?
You mean the one
Is
that
his
looks like
name.
the helmet?
Yeah.
I don't know. I had to go take a look.
Chaos here right now, bro. I just got ran over so many times. I'm at 75%.
Yeah, it's fucking chaos there.
This guy got cowboy boots on this fucking fit too. This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is the kavala shenanigans. I guess it is just fun shenanigans. It's not just
It
shooting
is. It's not like the
shenanigans.
bullshit one that you come across at Zero.
Like, you can avoid this. Like, they won't come out seeking you. I wonder if I can buy a tractor. I kind of want to get involved. If I can buy a tractor, I'm
what
gonna
was
blow
it
it up
called?
and
The vehicle?
then I don't know what it's called.
I want to say it's the helmet transport one because that one doesn't have the box. It has the little area where you can sit behind it.
I cannot get a tractor, unfortunately.
So why can't you get a tractor? Just don't have the money, or
I don't think I have the DLC. Can you get the tractor? Where do you buy that?
oh, over here at the truck dealer?
At the dealer. I
Yeah,
swear I went to the dealer and
Truck dealer,
I
not the
didn't
car
see it
dealer.
anywhere. The car
Truck.
shop, right?
Yeah, the truck.
Oh, the truck. So I gotta go all the way up to the truck one.
Yeah, because I can buy it here right now. I just bought it.
Oh, I guess I'm running up there real quick. Get myself a tractor and joining this shenanigans. Oh, never mind. This guy died in his tractor. I'm gonna take his real quick. Oh, I just flipped. Oh, I'm launched. Oh, I almost landed on top of. Oh, I'm on top of a roof. Oh my god, that would have been cool if I landed on top of the roof. All right, where you at, bro?
Coming down the road right now on the main one.
Oh, you're lucky my tractor's damaged.
I don't know where you are, though. I don't even see your mark.
Behind you, bro.
You?
Yep, full speed ahead on this main road coming down.
Oh, you're like all the way back there. Holy
Bro,
shit!
I got launched, man.
No, I'm coming to you. Fuck it.
I literally almost landed on top of this roof that like the building I just passed. I almost landed on top of that roof up there.
I'm dead.
I got
Yeah,
you,
I'm
bro.
dead.
Though.
You killed me instantly from that.
Oh,
shit.
oh, I'm dead now. What just happened?
What? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I fucking got that on fucking recording.
Because I fucking pull you out.
I know, I
Did
went
someone
fucking
hit me?
launching down the fucking road.
Did someone hit me or I just got launched?
I don't know, but whatever it was, it fucking launched the tractor. I have
Now
no clue
people
where
just
the tractor
turn
is.
it
Now it's gone. I think this is the one that you're driving. Yeah.
See, a medic needs to be here right now, man.
You know, but there's no medics on.
Respond? Fuck, don't run me over, bitch. How's a tractor faster than a person running right now? Get the fuck out of here.
No clue.
Oh, I can't jump over.
See, this is the shit that we need to do with the game, you know, just to have fun.
Yeah, just fucking.
Just fuck
Oh.
around and shit. Oh, fuck. I'm getting stuck in the suitcase. Your wheels are fucked.
Yeah, man. Might have to fucking. Does this have a
Shit.
repair kit in it? Okay, might have to. I don't have a fucking backpack, so I can't fucking. Get out of here, bitch. Yeah.
I should flip back around.
I fucking turn, man. Oh!
Get out, get out, get out, get out! No, I died.
I was about to say. Stupid, man.
All I hear now is just a fucking explosions, one after another. And there's two of them right there.
It's fucking boys, man. How much longer till the server is gonna restart? Do you know?
I don't know. Like maybe 30 minutes?
I saw 30 minutes. I want to say a while ago. So
Yeah, if we want tractors, we have to go down to the
truck shop.
get a tractor.
Yeah.
Yo, Rock. Yo, what's up, B homie?
Oh my god. The fucking explosions.
Oh, I just fucking died from a car spawning in. This guy was gonna buy me a tractor, bro. One of the guys there. I said I would love to be part of the tractor derby, but I don't have a tractor. And he said, "Come here, bro," and was gonna buy me one. And then I died from being spawned in.
Hell yeah, what up, dude? Yo, let's pull up to that motherfucker in a big ass truck. Hell yeah, brother, let's sit.
All I see from the center is a giant fucking smoke just piling upwards. Oh my god, look at the fucking fire. There's a fucking tractor full of falling from the sky.
Oh my god, there's so much fire.
I just died.
I'm moving in. That guy has a fucking gas tank. Ah!
There's another explosion. We definitely need a fucking medical line. They'll be earning so much money by reviving everyone.
Yeah, man. He's
This
like,
would have
I
been the
made
perfect time for a
like 5
medic to be
million.
on.
Hey, yo, let's stockpile a bunch of cars up next to this. Hey, yo, Jimmy, let's fucking let's pile up a bunch of cars, make a real big explosion, you know? Hold up, Jimmy. Alright, Jimmy, you asked for it, Jimmy. You asked for it, Jimmy. Where'd Jimmy go? There's Jimmy.
Oh, I see another fucking helmet falling from the sky. As soon as I turn around the fucking corner.
Oh!
And there it goes.
Oh yeah.
Bro, like, this guy, like, like, these guys are getting out of vehicles and just blowing them up. Like, that's how much money they have. Oh, Jimmy looks like he has a kid, man. I might need to save Jimmy. Oh, the police is here, man.
Is it really?
Yeah, they just pulled up. I'm gonna go
Oh
run.
yeah, I
them
see them
over
in the
with my tractor.
hatchback.
Let's say tractor derby.
Where's the police? I want to find the police car. I ran into them.
Bro, I love how everyone just stops at tractor derby. Oh, never mind.
Well, look at that person.
We're
They're
all
down
like
this
going
way.
after the cops now.
Oh, I see them. Oh, engine.
Where are they?
I don't know. Not here.
Oh, I thought you said you saw them.
Alright, dude. They probably got the fuck out of here, saying fuck this shit.
Yeah, they're probably like, what is happening in Kavala right now? And they just drove through
Fucking
and
shit
like,
show.
like, now we're out. Oh baby, look who it is. You'll never catch me, man. I'm too fast for you.
Beep beep, motherfucker. Oh shit, I'm dead.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Good, you deserve it. Oh!
Whoa! What just happened, man?
I can blow up behind you.
I went to flip my truck and yeah.
Yeah, my tractor blew up behind you.
Yeah, where is it? Is the APD car still around? He says tractors unite on the APD car. Just a bunch of tractors.
There's like 11 people at Kavala just sitting here
Yeah,
doing
they're all in
shit.
tractors.
Shit.
Oh yeah, I needed this, man. Yeah, this is good laugh.
I got a lot of good recordings too.
Yeah. Wow,
Oh,
dude,
I
are
hear
they
the
really-
APD.
Yeah, I was about to say, bro, they're really moving in on all this shenanigans, man. Give me a tractor. I need a tractor.
That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go get a tractor and ram the shit out of them.
Oh! Bro, they shot me down from the from the sky.
Yeah, I think they have a helicopter.
They do, and they just mowed us all down.
Yeah, that helicopter is a police helicopter. 'Cause they have blue
It is.
and
Yeah.
lights on. But oh my
And
god,
this
look
is
at the
this-
fucking fire! Holy shit! There is so much fucking fire. Holy shit. Can't fucking see for shit. Yeah, they shot me. Fuck. Of course, APD had to come in and ruin this shit.
ruin the fun, man.
That was too fucking fun as shit. Seeing all the fucking cars go
I mean, this is
flying.
Kavala though, man. So I feel like
Uh-huh.
Farmersville might move in on this, you know. There might be still some. There's still some people that haven't been shot yet. It looks like that are roaming around down here. See, there's a fellow tractor driver. 2 tractor drivers still. Oh, it's you.
Yep.
Get them, bro. That's the police.
I know.
Run them over. Get him.
I can't do shit with the
Get him, Vanderu.
It's done for. Tractor's
Oh,
done.
Mo, what are you doing?
I got
Mo!
kicked out of it.
Mo, what are you doing? They're right behind you, you idiot.
No, that's gonna shit out of me. Not stuck in fucking explosion. Fuck.
This guy just said it. RV on top of the gas
It's
station.
that feature in the world's first RV on a gas station.
Oh, well, it was a fucking car on fire flying. So we're starting in 2 minutes.
You gonna play for a bit longer? Cause honestly, I might get ready for bed and then hop back on for like a little bit till like probably
Nah,
midnight.
I think
maybe.
I'm probably gonna get off right after the server restarts. Most likely. Probably edit
sure,
the
man.
videos real quick, post it on stream,
Oof.
post it in Discord.
Yeah, post on YouTube and whatnot, man. Yeah, try to get famous off that shit. Is that the things that make meth? That's the RV? Or that makes the alcohol?
No, it's a different vehicle. That's just a normal.
Or is that the meth
RV.
RV though?
No, the meth, you gotta go down to the red zone area. That's on. You gotta go to the meth lab for the meth.
Sure.
So many cars blowing up left and right. Which majority of it is fucking trucks. Oh, there goes a hatchback. Another
Alright, man.
vehicle just blew up.
I might catch you on tomorrow. We'll see.
Probably, yeah. I don't know what time I'll be on tomorrow because I'm gonna be busy pretty late, so
For sure.
I may not hop on tomorrow. Not 100% sure, but we'll see.
We're friends on Discord, right?
Yeah, we are.
If I see you on, I'll just give you a call.
Well, I pair offline, so you just have to send
Same
me a
with me.
message.
I appear offline as well, so
But I have Discord on my phone, so if you send me a message, I can always check Discord once in a while.
just see it. Alright, for sure then. Alright, man. I'll catch you later. Peace.
Yeah, take care.